Welcome back to Spy Garage.
Touted as a yacht on wheels, the Bugatti Modern RV represents a bold and unique entry for the Bugatti brand into the premium recreational vehicle market. This is more than just a motorhome. It's an incredibly luxurious mobile haven that aims to provide the same degree of performance, fine craftsmanship, and cutting-edge style as the brand's renowned hypercars. Power, luxury, and clever space utilization, including a groundbreaking hidden shower, are the main components of its allure. With its distinctive Bugatti style elements, the Bugatti Modern RV's exterior would be an aerodynamic and aesthetically stunning masterpiece. It would probably have the recognizable horseshoe grille, expertly carved, and a body made of cutting-edge, lightweight materials like carbon fiber. The shape would be dynamic and streamlined, more like a futuristic transit vehicle than a conventional boxy recreational vehicle. A design language that emphasizes smooth surfaces, large glass panels for panoramic vistas, and a profile that cuts through the air with little resistance is suggested by the aptly named yacht on wheels analogy. This is a vehicle where function elevates form rather than sacrificing it. Interior: a secret universe of innovation and luxury. The real enchantment and significance of this Bugatti RV's luxury campervan label are revealed inside. With its beautiful and useful materials, the cabin would be a masterpiece of custom craftsmanship. Rich carbon fiber, polished aluminum, and hand-stitched leather would decorate every surface, resulting in an unmatched level of luxury. The innovative and extremely adaptable layout would make the most of every available space without feeling crowded. One of its main features is the concealed shower, which is a perfect illustration of its creative design. This feature would be smoothly incorporated into the interior architecture in place of a separate, room-consuming bathroom. Imagine a wall panel that slides open at the push of a button to expose a private, standalone shower unit with upscale equipment and an advanced drainage system. It fully vanishes when not in use, creating a tidy, clutter-free living area. This degree of creativity would be present throughout the RV, from a large, yet adaptable, living room to a small gourmet kitchen with concealed appliances. Performance: a hypercar's soul. The Bugatti Modern RV would have a custom, high-performance powertrain behind its opulent exterior. A powerful hybridized system or a cutting-edge electric drive would be a suitable alternative, even though a W16 engine could be an ambitious leap. This would guarantee that the car provides an exciting and responsive driving experience in addition to a pleasant ride. A sophisticated all-wheel drive system would enable confident handling in any situation, while the chassis and suspension would be designed to create a magic carpet ride experience, effortlessly absorbing road irregularities. The general public is not the target market for the 2026 Bugatti Modern RV. It is an idea for a few people who want a car that combines the independence and comfort of a mobile home with the excitement of a Bugatti. It is a daring declaration that demonstrates the limitless performance, design, and creativity of the Bugatti heritage, even in the realm of recreational automobiles.